Homeschooling could be the most feasible option for parents who want to educate their children. With homeschooling, parents can still have the best education for their children without having to resort to expensive everyday expenditures of sending children to school. However, one should bear in mind that homeschooling is not for everybody, and not all homeschool curriculums work for everyone. Learning through homeschooling may differ from one person to another. This is because in homeschooling, the traditional aspects of learning are not present like the typical classroom setting. This goes to show that parents may opt to change the program in order to fit the needs of their children. In homeschooling, the parents are the ones who teach their children. They just have to create, borrow, or buy a particular homeschooling curriculum that they think would best work for their children. In this way, the parents are able to educate their children on their own free will and without the influence of a typical school system. With its many advantages, homeschooling is now recognized as a legal educational system in all of the states in the U.S. Each state has its own set of rules and regulations regarding what and how homeschooling should be executed, so be sure to review your state's rules. Many people question the reliability and efficiency of homeschooling. Many are still wondering whether children can really learn from this type of education. Statistics show that students who had their basic education from homeschooling were able to do very well in college. Most experts contend that the data and the assertions are true, because with homeschooling, the parent-child relationship is a very effective tool in educating an individual. This is because children in a homeschooling program are less pressured and less tensed because it is their parents who do the teaching and not somebody else, therefore, the inhibition is lessened. In this manner, learning is more interactive, more comprehensive, and more properly initiated as long as there is a good curriculum that will serve as a guide. In order to know more information about homeschooling programs in your community, it is best that you consult your state's laws on homeschooling. Each state has its own set of rules, hence, what may work for one state may not be applicable to the other states. Just keep in mind that it is important that you and your child are comfortable with the program in order to make homeschooling effective. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Please stop by our site for more homeschooling info. If you are interested in a Christian, self-paced, online homeschooling course with customizable curriculum, just follow the link in the description.